I want to be happy. I want to be true to myself. So, that's my gift to my partner. Last year, birthday niya, September. That's when I decided to finally come out publicly. Noong time na yon, yes, may mga achievements. But I can say na I'm really happy. Kasi I'm not true to myself. But if you will ask me now if I'm happy, I'm really happy. And yung naging reason doon kung ba't ako naging happy kasi I chose to be true to myself. So last year, me and my partner Justin decided to finally come out. And mahirap yun honestly for us to come to that decision kasi ako personally, parang most of my colleagues, they are actually discouraging me to come out at that time. Yung mga co-professors ko, co-lecturers ko, they're discouraging me to come out kasi sinasabi nila sa akin na don't come out kasi baka hindi ka na-respetuhin ng students mo. Eh yung sinasabi nila sa akin. And sorry sa mga kapatid natin na LGBT, naniwala ako doon for the last few years. But then last year, I decided na wala na akong pakialam sa inyo. I want to be happy. I want to be true to myself. So, that's my gift to my partner. Last year, birthday niya, September. That's when I decided to finally come out publicly na I am gay and I also have a long-time partner. So, yun na.
Yun.
Siguro
Galing.
gusto ko din i-ask, ano yung turning point for that?
Marami actually na reason Pero alam mo yung feeling na every time lalabas kami, para kami nag-act as magtropa.
Paano?
Parang bro, parang nahirap, di kayo makapag-holding hands, di kayo makapag-akbayan. Kasi nga, di pa naman kami fully come out. And ako may mga students ako mga nakakasalubong ko from time to time. Siya, may mga followers siya ng mga lalaki kasi she's more of into fashion and yung parang niche na talaga is puro straight guys. So, ang daming instances na para na-feel namin na bakit ba natin kailangan magtago? Eh, wala na tayong ginagawang masama. We just love each other.
Saka masaya kayo.
Yeah, we're happy. We just love each other. Bakit hindi namin siya? Bakit natatakot tayo sa sabihin ng ibang tao? Eh, this is our life eh.